In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable asking before copying Microsoft files to the OneDrive account on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher and search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings here. Open that up. And then on the left panel, go down and select System Preferences. And then on the right side, scrolling down, you want to select underneath Files and select Microsoft 365 versus ask before copying or moving Microsoft files to Microsoft OneDrive. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.